Ingredients for the cake: non-stick cooking spray for greasing the pan, 2 cups all-purpose flour, plus more for dusting the pan, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup 3 sticks salted butter, room temperature, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 6 large eggs, room temperature, 1 cup rainbow sprinkles, plus more for decorating. For the glaze, 1 cup confectioner's sugar, plus more as needed, 5 teaspoons milk, plus more as needed, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract. Preparation: 1. Position a rack in the middle of the oven and preheat the oven to 325 F. Grease a 10 or 12 cup pan with non-stick cooking spray. Dust the pan evenly with flour, taking care to get into all the nooks and crannies, and tap out the excess flour. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, salt and baking powder. Set aside. 3. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, add the sugar, butter, vanilla and almond extract. Beat on medium speed until very fluffy and lightened in color, about 3 minutes, scraping the bowl and paddle every minute. 4. Reduce the speed to medium-low. Add the eggs one at a time, scraping the bowl between additions until each is fully incorporated, about 15 seconds each. 5. Add the flour mixture to the bowl and beat on low until just combined, about 15 seconds. 6. Remove the bowl from the mixer. Fold in the sprinkles with a rubber spatula until the sprinkles are evenly distributed. The batter is smooth and any remaining flour is fully incorporated. 7. Scrape the batter into the prepared pan and gently smooth the top. 8. Bake for about 75 minutes or until the cake is risen, golden brown and a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. 9. Place the pan on a wire rack to cool slightly for about 10 minutes. Very gently tug the cake all around the sides and center tube to coax it away. Invert the cake directly onto the wire rack and let cool completely before glazing. Make the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the confectioner's sugar, milk, vanilla and almond extract until smooth. Adjust with more sugar if too thin, or more milk if too thick. Pour or spoon the glaze over the cake and immediately top with more rainbow sprinkles if desired. Let set until firm before slicing.